Hello everyone. In today's video I will be showing you how to display the trash icon that enables you to view all recent deleted apps. This is how you can do it. All you have to do is to long press on your phone for about 3 seconds, then press on menu. Locate where it's written Other Settings. Press where it's written Recently Uninstalled. After you have turned it on, go back. The icon should now be displayed. From now on you can view all recently deleted apps. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.